Welcome, everyone, to the Mayor's Weekly Press Conference for March 18th. We've got a number of announcements and things to go over for today, so why don't we go ahead and start with Activate Allen County. And Kayla, if you guys want to come on up and give us a little background on some of the partnerships that working on and some of the things that are going on with Activate Allen County.
Thank you. Again, my name is Kayla with Activate Allen County with the Partnerships to Improve Community Health grant that we're working with here in the county through the CDC. I'm here today to talk about the Health Cornerstore program again. I'm kind of now a fixture up here for that program. We have another store that is taking part of our program now. It's Wally's Filling Station on North Cole Street. So they'll be joining our program starting on Friday here. We'll have an event at their store from 3 to 6 this Friday the 20th. So we encourage people to come out and see their new display. Healthy Happens Here is our program. If you don't know, that increases the fruits and vegetable access to our community members here. So Wally's is now going to be offering fresh produce and some healthier snack options, and those will all be labeled and for purchase for the customers who come in there. And they'll also be doing their drive-through as well. Will be available as, for that program too. So they'll be using all parts of their store will be accessible for that for the produce. So as just the program will highlight the healthy choices such as whole grains, low sodium canned goods, frozen vegetables, 100% fruit juice and low fat dairy options, and then their store also will also provide fresh vegetables and fruit. So as part of that Healthy Happens Here program that we're starting. So along with Meat City and Corner Grocery, our third store will now be Wally's. So we appreciate your support of that program, and hopefully we'll see you out on Friday, 3 to 6.
Terrific. Any goal on how many stores you want to get involved?
We have 5 that will be slowly being phased in. That's our actual goal for this grant program is the 5. So we have 2 more that are ready to go, but we have to, I can't do it. We got to phase them in slowly. So
Absolutely.
That's how the docket is
Well, that's how it works. Okay.
We have 2 more committed. So that's
Well,
really
congratulations. Terrific. And welcome to Wally's with the terrific program that is Activate Allen County. Next up, Terri Averisch. Terry's here with Ben to come up, and if you guys want to come up and give us a little bit of information on what's going on with the Y as we head towards spring.
Thank you. First thing, I do want to let people know that our summer day camp registration is open. Last year, it did fill for a couple weeks. We only have 30 to 35 kids involved in the program. It is a great way for the kids to spend their summer. It's for youth from 6 years old until 12 years old. And we're running starting June 1st for 11 weeks throughout the summer. They are a licensed day camp, and they have a lot of great activities for the kids throughout the day. They have like a science week, and they have film week, and there's a lot of different types of themes to the weeks. But again, a couple of the weeks had filled, so we encourage parents, if you're trying to think of what to do with their kids for the summer, to sign up now. It is $75 a week, and they do sign up week to week. It's from 9 to 4, but we do have before 9 fun club. So the kids that need to be there, the parents that have to be at work before 9, the parents can drop them off before that, and also after 4, we have some care after 4. So registration for that is started. And then also, I was here telling about a health fair in February that was one of the days in February that it was a whiteout that morning, and we had to cancel the health fair. So it's Ohio Northern University pharmacy students are coming. Now it's been rescheduled for March 28th, and we're not going to have any whiteouts on that day. From 8 a.m. until 11:30, they're going to be doing blood glucose, blood cholesterol and sugar checks, brown bag education. If they bring their medications, they can kind of let them know the best times to take them, and if there's any kind of reactions with some of the medications, they can inform anybody that's interested and help them with any questions they might have about their medications. And again, that's March 28th from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., and that is held by Ohio Northern University pharmacy students. And on April 11th, we have a mom-to-mom sale, and this has become really popular. We have 30 booths from area mothers bringing some of their toddlers' clothes, maternity clothes, and a lot of toys. They get 3 tables per booth, And if you look down at our gym from the track, we've got 2 full gyms just full of high chairs and cribs and just all kinds of things for kids, and the parents do really well with it. We have a couple booths still available. If people want to purchase a booth, it's $25. But from 8 a.m. until noon, it's $1 for entry fee. Children under 7 are free, and it's a great way to get some new or slightly used clothing or toys. And then our final thing is we have the Cupid Race Series, and we do a river run that's on June 23rd, a triathlon August 2nd that's actually held at the outside. I can't think of the park. Ottawa Metro Park. Yeah, I'm sorry. And everything else is held at the Y. And then we have a 4-miler September 27th and a 10K November 8th. But Cupid sponsors all of those events. And we are this year for the first time offering registration for all 4 races. And if they but they have to sign up by the beginning of June. It's only $60 for Y members and $75 for non-members. And that's pretty much the cost of just signing up for the triathlon if you come in the day of. So it's a really good deal if people want to start training and get ready. It starts, the registration has started now for those races. So all of that information is on our website, or you can also go to Lima YMCA Racing. And then also we have a new membership director at the Y, and his name's Ben Sandrock, and he's going to talk about financial assistance.
Alrighty, my name is Ben, and I'm the leader of the membership team. And one of the things that I wanted to talk about, the one thing that I wanted to talk about is kind of the heart of the YMCA, and that is that we want everybody to be able to be a part of the YMCA. So anybody that is willing throughout the year, we raise money so that people can come that can't afford to be here. And so what that looks like is that we have an application that they would go through, but the heart of it is that anybody who's willing to come to the YMCA, we want them to be able to be there. And so we have that going on all throughout the year, and they can see the front desk about it. We have packets there that they can fill out. Thank you.
Terrific. Again, just a lot of great things going on, and please take advantage of those opportunities that the Y provides for the community. A terrific part of not only just the Lima area, but the entire area that surrounds us. Next up, John Schneider is here to talk about the Ottawa River Clean Up. It's another sure sign that spring is right around the corner. So, John, give us some information on that event.
Good morning. I'm John Schneider, and I'm here proud to represent our River Cleanup. A little warmer weather is becoming, and on Saturday, April 25th, we're having the Ottawa River Cleanup. This is an opportunity for us to take pride in our community, to pick up trash and debris along the Ottawa River, to help with the health of the river, the community, and for us to take pride in the Lima Allen County community. This activity is sponsored by neighborhood associations, Lima Allen County Neighbors in Partnership, which I've been involved with for a long time, the Ottawa River Coalition, Keep Allen County Beautiful, the City of Lima, and others. We need volunteers. All ages are welcome to volunteer. That could be people from schools, from churches, but we're very much interested in having volunteers to participate in this event. It'll be a 9 a.m. Till noon on Saturday, April 25th. If people want more information, they can go online, just look up Ottawa River Cleanup, and there are different information is provided. Also, there's a volunteer form. You can fill out a volunteer form at the event, but you can also, if you wish to register more quickly, you can print out the form and bring it with you on April 25th. Gloves and trash bags will be provided, and it's a fun event. There will be people participating. They're eligible for a T-shirt, for a certificate of participation, and also a light lunch following the cleanup. So this is a real opportunity for all of us to take pride in our community. And I should say, well, it's going to be based at the Red Cross. We're very thankful for the Red Cross allowing us to use their fine facility, which is very close to the river and has a parking lot. So it'll be, again, starting at 9 a.m. till noon on Saturday, April 25th, Ottawa River Clean Up. Thank you very much.
Thank you, John. It is a terrific opportunity to get out and, take some of the winter off of the river. And I know in past, some youth, not youth, but high school folks that need service hours and softball teams, baseball teams, get together and come out and help. And we would encourage those kind of groups, as John mentioned, churches and others getting involved with it. So, find a great way to, help out your community, help out the city, and what a terrific effort for Lima. Next up, Kay Van Meter. Kay's going to talk a little bit about a city focus event coming up at noon, I believe, right, Kay? Coming up next week or so, with downtown Lima. So, have at it.
My name is Kay Van Meter. I'm the president of the Heart of Lima Neighborhood Association, and we are happy to host the Mayor's City Focus meeting 1 week from today, noon, at the meeting place. You have questions, we'll have answers, hopefully. I think the mayor will be there, and I'm not sure who other city officials, maybe the chief. The chief will be there, okay, Chief Martin will be there. And like I said, if you've got questions, this is the place to bring it. It's an open forum. It's open to everybody, not just the folks in our neighborhood.
Terrific.
And again, that's next week, 1 week from today, on the 25th of March at noon at the meeting place, and that is at 220 West Market Street.
Terrific.
Thank you.
Usually those city focus meetings, the mayor brings his staff.
Yes.
And it's, like you said, it is an open forum, and so it's a terrific opportunity to learn more and ask questions about some of the different things.
Exactly.
So we invite you all out to the meeting place, and you said noon, correct? Okay, noon on the 25th. Patrolman Matt Douglas is here to talk about Safety City and all the great activities that take place at Safety City. And we'll let you have at it. Let us know what's going on.
Okay. This summer, the Safety City Summer Academy is back up and running again after them not having it last year due to a lot of the new construction of the buildings, and also with Officer Vistana retiring and me taking over for him. So we kind of had a transition period last summer, and there wasn't anything going on, and heard several parents kind of moan and complain that, they were upset because we didn't have a summer program. And this summer it's back up and running. It'll be 4 weeks in June, and then also 2 weeks in July. The classes will be morning classes, and they'll be afternoon classes. So the kids will come for 2 hours a day. They'll pick 1 week, and then they'll get to go either the morning or the afternoon session. So there's no cost for it. And the dates are June 1st through the 5th, June 8th through the 12th, June 15th through the 19th, and then June 22nd through the 26th. And then also in July, it's the 6th through the 10th, and then the 13th through the 17th. We did send over all these flyers home with all the kids in the schools, all the city school kids, Elida, Bath, Shawnee, all the surrounding areas. Either got emailed a copy of it, or I delivered them out to the schools. So all the kids ages 5 to 9 all have the flyers with information as to when the sign-ups are. So the sign-ups period will be Monday, March 30th through April 3rd, and then also Monday, April 6th through Wednesday, April 8th. And those are pretty much all day. So there's a couple numbers that are on there. The summer program actually focuses a lot on the Rad Kids training, which is basically personal safety training. Teaches them about strangers, about good people, bad people. Also, it teaches some of the, basically some of the topics from the DARE program as well. We've got kind of both of those programs that are kind of meshed in our summer training. So gun safety, bike safety, what to do when they're out and about playing. The summer program's actually a partnership between the Lima Noon Optimist Club and the police department, and then also the Lima City Schools and then the Lima Fire Department. So there's several organizations that go in on the summer program. So it's a great program to have, and like I said, your kids ages 5 to 9, if they're looking for something this summer, get them signed up, and hopefully we'll see them this summer then.
Terrific.
Okay.
Thank you, Ben.
All right, thank you.
It is a great program. I know all 4 of my sons took advantage of it, enjoyed their experiences. So get them out, get them signed up. Is that also on a website that they can get to?
It's on Safety City's Facebook page. It's on the Lima Police Department's Facebook page.
Okay,
And then it'll also be posted on the city's
terrific.
page as well.
Good, good. So if you want more information, make sure you check those sites. Finally, from the Parks Department, I have a couple of announcements that we need to get out to people. Slowly but surely, we'll be getting the parks back open again. As weather permits, we're going to continue to get the restrooms opened up at the different facilities throughout the park system. So please be patient with us. We don't want to do anything too quickly because of weather, and none of our facilities are heated, so plumbing is somewhat of an issue. But secondly, as we progress, you'll see more and more activities in and around the parks with kids, and we guess, again, would invite people to please be careful when driving through and around those parks. You'll see a lot more activity, and it's something that we just all have to get used to again. So, again, invite you to be very cautious when you're doing that. Our sign up for youth softball program is going on now. The girls' youth softball program, and that deadline is the 27th of March. Also for adult softball, that includes all the adult softball programs we have. There's going to be an organizational meeting held at the end of this month, March 30th, at 7 p.m. at the College Street building, our central services building there at College Street. So 7 o'clock that evening of the 30th of March. If you've got any questions, it'll also be on our website, the city's recreational website, or you give us a call at 221-5195. Finally, one of the commitments we've made is to try to do a little work with some of the geese issues that we have in and around the parks and along the river walk. We are again inviting people to understand that we're working to help move the geese along, and we're doing different activities with them to move them along. But as far as what the public can do, how they can help us out, is please do not feed the geese. We've got a number of signs up throughout the park system and along the Riverwalk, again, asking people, to refrain from feeding the geese, because if you feed them, they're like your children, they will come back. And we would ask that if you help us in that respect, it would be greatly appreciated. So we're moving forward with that program, and look forward to a terrific summer. And hopefully the weather is going to continue to turn for the better for everybody. So with that said, nothing else to go over. We'll break down for personal or for individual interviews with our media folks. Thank you all so much.